Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Seeds Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do the Rosebud trellis crochet stitch. Today's stitch is going to be a 2-row repeat, and when we go to chain up our chains, we will do a multiple of 5 plus 2. The plus 2 acts as a chain 1, but also the second chain from the hook we are going to single crochet into that stitch. So I have 15 stitches here, which is my multiple of 5 plus 2, so 1 and 2. So now I have 17. You can crochet up as many as you would like, as long as it is a multiple of 5 plus 2. So after you have your chain completed, we are going to go into the second stitch from the hook and place a single crochet. And again, this is going to be our base stitch or our base row. So this is not going to be part of the 2-row repeat. So after you have that single crochet completed, we are going to now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we are going to skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and in that 5th stitch we are going to place a single crochet. That is going to be the repeat until you get to the end of the base row. So again, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go ahead and skip 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a single crochet into that 5th stitch. So repeat that until you get to the end of this row. And single crochet into that last stitch. For the first row repeat, we are going to start off with a chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That is going to act as a treble crochet plus 2, and I am using US terms. After you have that chain 6 completed, go ahead and turn your work. And we are going to go into that third chain in our chain 5 from the previous row and place a single crochet. After you have your single crochet completed, we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Go back into that same stitch and we are going to place another single crochet. And then now we are going to chain 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is the repeating unit. So again, once more, we are going to go into that third chain in that chain 5 space from the previous row, place a single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then place another single crochet into that same space. Once more, we are going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go into that third stitch in our chain 5 space, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and single crochet back into that same space. Now, once you have gotten to the end of the first row repeat, we are going to chain 2, and in the last stitch, we are going to place a treble crochet into that stitch. So that is the first row repeat. For the second row repeat, we are going to chain 1 and go ahead and turn your work. We are going to place a single crochet into the top of that treble crochet that we made in the previous row. And then we will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go ahead and skip this chain 2, this rosebud, and we are going to go to the chain 5 space and place a single crochet into the third chain. Go ahead and chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and place another single crochet into that same space. So that is our repeating unit. Again, we are going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip this rosebud and go to the chain 5 space and place a single crochet into the third chain that we made in the previous row. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and place a single crochet into that same space. And again, go ahead and chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once you have reached the end, we are going to place a single crochet into that fourth chain of the chain 6 that we made to begin with for the first row repeat. And that is the 2-row repeat for the rosebud trellis. You will just continue repeating the 2-row repeats. If you did enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give me a like, share, comment, or a subscribe. But also go check out my other crocheting and knitting tutorials. I do have content as far as spinning and weaving go. But I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time.